Imran Khan, the illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister of Pakistan, has responded from his jail cell to the army spokesman who conducted a political press conference against PTI. In a statement posted on his official Twitter account after select party lawyers were allowed inside the maximum security Adiala jail to observe his military-style jail trial. Quote, "As a politician, it is my right to criticize any policy that goes against the interests of the people, the integrity of the country and democracy. I have opposed and will continue to oppose any policy that is against the national interest. The people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa have given us a mandate and we are answerable to the people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, not to the DGISPR," unquote. The Pakistani army spokesman went on a tirade against Mr. Khan and his party after his decision to appoint a new chief minister in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Suhail Afridi, the CM-elect, is considered an ideological party supporter and is from the country's merged districts, among the most impoverished in the country. General Asim Munir and his military government made attempts to deny Suhail Afridi's appointment, even refusing to accept the resignation of former CM Ali Amin. In a rare independent judgment, the Peshawar High Court ordered General Munir's government to comply with constitutional requirements for Mr. Afridi's oath-taking as the new CM. Mr. Khan urged the new chief minister to be confident in his new role. Quote, "I want to send a special message to Suhail Afridi that he is my opening batsman and therefore he should play with confidence," unquote. Former Prime Minister Imran Khan has reiterated from his jail cell in Adiala, Rawalpindi that the issue of terrorism can only be resolved through dialogue. Mr. Khan has been voicing his concern over the so-called counter-terrorism policy of de facto ruler of Pakistan, General Asim Munir. Since Mr. Munir took over, terrorism, which was largely defeated, has risen to unprecedented levels, particularly in the border area of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. In his statement today, Mr. Khan said, quote, "History bears witness that military operations alone cannot eradicate terrorism. Our principal stance is that military operations in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are unacceptable as innocent civilians lose their lives under the pretext of collateral damage and are displaced from their homes. Large-scale operations have been carried out to eliminate terrorism for decades, yet this menace persists," unquote. Imran Khan called for talks and diplomacy, emphasizing that a holistic approach is needed, including talks with neighboring Afghanistan. Quote, "I have always said that to completely eradicate terrorism, instead of decisions made behind closed doors, there is a need for a comprehensive strategy based on effective political insight. No policy made without the presence and consultation of political representatives and the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government is acceptable. While formulating a policy against terrorism, all key stakeholders must be consulted, whether they are local tribes, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government, the federal government, or the Afghan government. The issue of terrorism cannot be resolved without dialogue with Afghanistan," unquote.